guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zash and this is the Perfectly Complicated channel. So, Niko home. Today I'm at home. Like if you see an orange background, I'm at home. Yeah. So, if you want to wash a mat and there's no car wash or washing machine near you, like a heavy washing machine duty near you, you can use this process we're about to show you. So today, mom told us to wash her mat and I want to record it and show you how we do it. Pakato. First things first, you'll need a big space, like a big cemented place ama somewhere where hakuna mchanga ama hakuna dust. So we're lucky enough we have this old space and yeah, kuku songeni. Second, you'll need to sweep the space. Meona, I sweep the place because you can place your mat on a dirty place. So this is the mat. I don't know if you can see the okay. It's so dirty. Okay, not that much dirty, but it has some dirt on it. It's a green mat, so the dirt is not that visible. So I'm about to do the third step, which is you sweep the particles off the mat and then you make it wet. And then you scrub it. And then you scrub it again and then you rinse it and then you hang it. So let's sweep it off the particles and then make it wet. And I'm sure it will be a fun process. So yeah. I'ma have you chickens help you remove the particles.
Hey guys, this is the perfect complicated channel. Look at you're watching my.
So yeah, the reason I was carrying the water from this bucket was my sister did laundry, so tulimwaga hiyo maji chafu kwanza hapa ndo tutoe chafu ya juu, alafu na we can use clean water. Like utaweka omo ama baadaye. So pia kuna hizo mats zingine dot tunaosha huko. So yeah, you need your mat, a space, a brush, some water, some omo, and psych. Si chafu sana. It's because
As you see, it's scribing.
rings. So we have the big pipe connected there. And look, wenye mnasemanga ukambani hakuna maji, look at that. So this is the fun part. Ana bupindwe hiyo pipe. the mat. The last step. That easy. We are done. The last step ni kuweka kwa maji iko na Star Soft ndo isinuke. Ikikauka forever utaanguka. And Stephen needs to rinse it apparently. The last step, carry your mat with a wheelbarrow because it's heavy. Find a strong place to hang. Somebody tell me, after how long should one wash their mats? After how long? 4 minutes. So utashinda ukiosha mat forever. So yeah, this is the mat, washed and clean. Kuna balgams mingi. So acha tuyanike. Chewing gums.
Naona venye imeosha ngakaa. Ninapenda maji.
Yes. As we were hanging the mat, ilishika chini, and now we are flushing it. We don't have a pressure wash, and we hung it upside down. Isibebe vumbi. Ukianika na hii side poa. Ai, usinioshe itabeba vumbi. Mshata. Mike utaoshwa. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And comment down below, and that's how you wash your mat without a washing machine and a pressure washer. But if you had a pressure washer, it would be more fun. It would be more fun. But bye guys, see you in my next video.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you see, they were washing mat. Told us to wash mat. Now I'm dancing. I had fear, baby lover.
See?
I did fear, baby lover.